Hello everyone, you're welcome to this tutorial video which is brought to you by Kosmos. What is Kosmos? Kosmos is a marketing software or a marketing solution or a marketing platform that you can use or leverage on to send bulk emails, bulk SMS or bulk WhatsApp messages to your customers, to your users, or to a group of people you are targeting, or anyone or anybody that are trying to reach out to. So the purpose of Cosmos is to help you send emails or SMS or WhatsApp messages in bulk instead of having to go through the stress or complexity of having to reach out to your customers or users one by one or one after the other. You can make use of Cosmos to target this set of people or this group of people and reach out to them at once. So we have lifted up the burden of you, and we have tried to make the process simpler and easy for you, in that you don't have to manually reach out to your customers or users again. Instead, you target them once and we undo the rest for you. So in this tutorial video, we'll be teaching you how you can use the Cosmos platform to reach out to your customers. Don't forget, in one of our other videos, we taught you how you can make use of the program or the PHP code that we provided, which is meant for the top up meet users, to send bulk emails to your customers. All right. As we know, a lot of businesses might have a list of their customers or a list of their users already on ground, that they don't have to be trying to get these informations or extract these informations again. They already have it on ground, and the next thing or the only thing left for them to do is just to go ahead and reach out to these people. So now, to make use of the Cosmos platform, there is a kind of a format that you have to follow, which means the file you are going to be uploading, which means if you want to reach out, you can use Cosmos to target or reach out to your customers one by one. If you want to send an email to someone, probably a one-on-one email, you also use Cosmos to do that. But the purpose of this YouTube tutorial video is to help you to target a group of people or a number of people that is greater or more than one. So in that case, we'll always employ or advise you to make use of a CSV file. You have all the informations inside the CSV file. So the format we use is that you are going to create a kind of different rows in that CSV file. We have the first name, you can also add the last name, and you can add the contacts. So in this, I will head over to the file we downloaded in one of our tutorial video, which contains the list and information of our users. Here we have the first name, and the other column we have the contacts. So the first name, this row includes the first name of our customers or of our users. Then the other one, the contacts, includes the email addresses of our customers or our users. So in a scenario that you're trying to send bulk SMS and probably not bulk email, you are also going to follow this format. You have the first name, which includes all the first name of the users, then the contact, which includes the mobile number or the phone numbers of your customers or your users. But in this case, since we are making this tutorial video for the purpose of the email marketing aspects of Cosmos, we are only making use of the email addresses. So in a scenario that you already have the CSV file or something, and you just need to get right over it and start sending bulk emails to your users, please edit your CSV file and ensure you segregate these informations like this: the first name, the contact. And in a scenario that you have a CSV file that does not even include the first name, probably you just have their email addresses, it's fine, there's no problem. It's not compulsory you have the first name of your customer, but since we are sending or reaching out to them via email addresses, it's quite important you have their email addresses in your CSV file. So just ensure you add this label, the contacts, because that is what the Cosmos system will use to identify, okay, the information under the contact is the email addresses that I'm supposed to send these emails to. You understand? So we're just going to go right over here and use this CSV file to reach out to our users. So we have quite a number of users here, and I'm going to head over to my browser and I'm going to go to the Cosmos platform. So for the sake of new users, I'm just going to log out. And the URL for Cosmos is cosmos.com.ng, and if you access Cosmos, this is what you see. Ensure you access the right aspects or the right website. So the next thing for me to do is just to sign in, and if you are a new customer or you're a new user, the first thing for you to do is to register your account. So you head over to don't have account, you enter your details and all of that. So but in this scenario, I have my accounts already, so I'll just head over and sign in. So once I'm signed in here, I'm in my dashboard. I have my email credits that I'm going to be using to send the emails out to people. But for the purpose or for new users that are just registering on this platform, we have different plans for you to subscribe to. Once you register, the next thing for you to is to head over to the plan section. Then you will be able to see our plans. Currently we have only one plans which allow you to have access to send unlimited emails with just 1,000 naira per month. So subscribing to our plan with just 1,000 naira per month, you can send unlimited number of emails during that month. You understand? So this is my current plan because I'm already subscribed. So I'll go over to my dashboard and we are going to be set out to send our first emails. So to send our email, I'm going to head over to the messages section. Then we have here, you can send email, you can send SMS, you can send WhatsApp. Currently we have provided the full functionality for the sending of bulk email. In the later days, we are going to be rolling out the functionality to send both SMS and WhatsApp. Currently we are focusing on the email. So I'm going to, this is send email, this are history, this is campaign if you want to kind of create a campaign or a list. But to simplify it, in other tutorial videos we'll be revealing more in-depth functionalities on this platform. So I'm just going to click on the send email. So right, this is for sending emails to just one recipient. What do we call recipients? Recipients is the person or an individual at the other end of the email you are sending. That means the recipient is someone that is receiving what you are sending, be it email, be it SMS, be it a WhatsApp message or whatever. So this is for single audience, which is where you have ability to send to just one individual. So this is a group of audience. Later on we'll be talking about how you can create a group audience, so you can just target the group and send to them at once. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, we'll be making use of the import file. So this import file, this is where you're going to be importing the subscribers.csv file that we already have, so as to send emails to the customers or users in that CSV file. So here I'll just select the file, I'll go to my downloads, then I'll click on the subscribes, because ensure this CSV file you're uploading follows the format that I've already explained in this video, which is the first name and the contact, and or if you have other information, so maybe like last name or whichever one, it's fine, but ensure it includes that CSV that contact column. which includes the information of the users, which is in this scenario, or in this case, their email address. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload. I'm going to select a gateway, and this purpose I'll go the Cosmos server, because we are sending these emails via our server, which is the Cosmos server. Then this case is, if you want to schedule the email, probably I want, today is 3rd of October, probably I want to send an email, or I want the email to deliver to the user probably tomorrow, which is the 4th or 5th, or whichever one. Then I'll have to select the time also, maybe by 1 p.m. or whatever. But in this case, we are just going to want to send the email, and let's, or allow it to be delivered to the recipients immediately we send it. So I will leave this place empty. Then email from name. So in this field, here is where you enter the name of the sender. That means the name you want to be sending the email as. You understand? So in this case, because the name of my platform is Payway, I'll be entering Payway. Then the recipient's email reply to address. That means in the scenario that you're sending an email to users and you want them to have the opportunity to be able to reply back to that email, then you can enter the reply to address. That means if a user replies that email, you're sending through our server or via our server, but if any user reply that email, you'll be receiving it to the email address you entered it. So in this case, I'll just be using the email address for my website, which is support@payway.ng. So then I will enter the email subject, which is the heading for the email. So you can just use any catchy email subject to get or grabs the attention of your subscribers or your users. So for example, what should we use? Just something nice, something friendly. Okay, let me use our subject should be something catchy, concise, and clear. How are you? That is our subject. Then for the email body, that is where you enter the contents of your email. So here I'm just going to just a kind of a greeting message. Hello friend, how are you doing today? I hope your day was, let me use was, because we're already heading to the end of the day already, was filled with amazing adventures. Okay, hello friend, how are you doing today? I hope your day was filled with amazing adventures. What else? Everybody, okay, let me add full stop here. The Payway team cares about you. So that will be the content of our email, and we are going to head over and be sending it to our customers or our users. So the next thing for us to do is to click on send. So we are having it, and the system is processing our request. All right, it says the email request has been registered successfully. That means the email we just sent has been already been registered on the system and it's been processed successfully. So to see what we have done or check what we have done, then we can go to the history. So this includes all the information of the emails we just sent. You can see to this we sent email to this email address, initiated at this so time, scheduled for, delivered at, updated at, then the status is pending. So this email was initiated at this time and this date. So because we didn't schedule it to be delivered by any time, we set it so that it will be delivered immediately. Understand? Then this delivered at NA means the time it is delivered or the time it was delivered has not already been updated, and this updated time, which it will talk about the time the status of this email was updated, and you see the status at the still pending. That means the system is still processing our emails. You understand? So I will head over and pause this video pending the time this system or this Cosmos system will deliver our email to our subscribers or our customers or our users. All right, let's head over back. So in just, if you notice, I paused the video around 4:50 p.m. and here it is 4:51 p.m. That means in just 1 minute the system processed the email we just sent and delivered to all our recipients. And you see, it's the Cosmos system is fast, very reliable, and it works just fine. So here is, see the details of this communication logs has been updated. The initiated at this time, scheduled for, then delivered at, you see, 3:49 p.m. and is updated, and the status now is now delivered. Understand? So to confirm if this email has been sent to you or whatever, and under the subscriber list, I also have my information there. Here, this is my email address. So I'm going to log into my email now and check if I have received the email. So I'm just going to head over to my Google account. I'm doing this tutorial video so you can understand how Cosmos works and how you can leverage on Cosmos. So I'm going to try to locate the email. Let me pause the video. All right, I refresh my email and this is the email here. We received the email to my email address. All right, this will come to the end of the tutorial video. Going back to my dashboard, and this is the email credits that we have left. This is the email credit that we have left, and this is how you send bulk email to your customers or your users. In then our next coming videos, we'll be talking about some other features that we have on the Cosmos platform. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.